Alright people, welcome to my channel. My channel is Aceh Right now I am one of, we call what Aceh province and then the district or Takengon. I am one of the beautiful panorama or beautiful view here. This is very beautiful, like, lake, what we call it, Lake Lotawa Lake, or not same like the other lake Indonesia. This is very same like, Switzerland or Europe, Iceland. Every single morning when we woke up here, after woke up, you will see how beautiful panorama here. Can you imagine that? Today I just promote we call panorama. This is the lonely mountain there, and the high mountain there. We call that the tree Bonita Long or Bonita Long. It's very too high, and then we just invite a lot of tourists for Europe or from United States or United Kingdom, Australia, Asia, or Africa, Middle East, this we call what tourism is very important for humanity nowadays. But if you want to visit Aceh, don't forget to visit takengon look like very tourism like Iceland or Switzerland. So you have to see this. You have to see how beautiful location here.